I am going to challenge you today. I am going to challenge you to one 7-day period where all you do is you look for something you did well today. It is amazing the amount of mind work I find I do with my coaching clients on a weekly basis, most of it revolving around their negative perception of themselves. Oh, I didn't do this. I didn't do that. I made this mistake. I'm never going to get this right. I'm struggling with this. I've always struggled with this, right? It's noticing, it's hyper focusing on all the little things that do or don't go right in a day or a week. But when I say, but what did you do really well? It's crickets. Chirp, chirp. No one's there because no one pays attention to that. They hyper focus on what they do wrong, what they're not excelling at, or the downfalls. But then when I say, well, did you notice this last 2 weeks? You actually tracked all your food and you hit your protein goal and you reached out to me when you went to go get Cinnabon and you're like, oh, I'm just going to get one as opposed to a whole box like I would have done in the past. Like, people mute all of that. They don't hear it, they don't see it, or they quickly forget about it. And then what do? They hyper focus on the not so great. So I'm challenging you. I have a client doing this right now. Every single day she's supposed to write down one positive thing she does, giving herself compassion for doing that one positive thing. Because as long as we hyper focus on what we don't do, and we always feel like we're struggling and that everything is negative or that everything is bad, it's very hard to keep yourself motivated. Motivated, Heather? I thought someone else was supposed to motivate me. I thought music should motivate me. I thought before and afters should motivate me. No, you actually motivate you. You motivate yourself with your actions. You motivate yourself with the way you think about things, the way you talk to yourself, the way you encourage yourself. You are your own motivation. Now, you can have moments where you feel more inspired, if you will. Like, you'll see a before and after, you go, man, I know I can get there. I'm excited. Here's all the cool things I'm doing. I'm working my way there. In that moment, you're super inspired. But that consistent grind of necessary motivation that people are constantly seeking, that doesn't come from outside of you. It comes from your actions and your thoughts and your behaviors. That's why so many people are struggling to find it. They're like, where's that motivation tree, Heather? Where can I fill up my motivation bucket? Where's the well? There isn't one. It's you. You've got to talk different to yourself. You've got to encourage yourself. You have to start to notice the things you're doing well. And you have to start challenging yourself in positive ways. But this is all coming from you. So your 7-day challenge every day, I'd like you to write down something you did well that day. Really focus in on that. And that will start to become your motivation. You guys have a great day. Please like and subscribe and let me know how I can better help you. I'll talk to you soon.